Charlie boy, now you mumu na too much. You be mumu.
God have mercy upon us.
I want anybody.
Baby. Na also kwa na hapa kwa kai wa ba ya kwa no seru aka be ya.
I like them together. One no say that.
Aga na mpo ya nko na jiare.
What do you think I'm aware?
Na gwaje yoku na.
Excuse me.
Jesus.
What's up with you? What's up?
Yes.
My name is Shaggy Bombastic.
Shaggy Bombastic.
Yes. What is your name?
My name is Becky.
Becky?
Yes.
Oh my God. Actually, I saw you coming out from the shop right and kind of I have interest in you and I just want you to be my girlfriend.
Where your car? Where your car? Where is your car?
My car?
Yes.
No, I haven't gotten a car yet, actually.
Where have you toasted? Eh?
I would actually like to have your phone number so that we can be communicating on phone. I'm actually gonna tell you more. I'm gonna tell you more.
Which phone?
My phone now.
This one.
Hey now, is it not the phone?
Phone you got the one up on my hand. You go.
Nah, the phone boy. It's giving me.
Phone you got the one up my hand.
Phone marketing. Maybe now the phone.
That's my class. Oh my God.
Shaggy. Agora nge ya na mpo ya weru na jiare. No ya ko onya.
Na lapo nwa bo yembu.
Agwa nge ha.
Na nwa bo yembu lapo nwa. Kai ga okuto. Na wanne kwa gwa me okuka na tamale ka. Na mala ke ga da. Development na tamale.
Ka je kwa one or two things na.
Well, I need to know.
The earlier we realize this, the earlier.
I can take him out to stand now. Yes, I guess you go.
Eje na ba mara we. Na akwa. Na da mu. Ogini kwa keyo.
Ono bro that girl here.
Onye.
That girl is in Nampia with duplex.
Wow, yeah. So na nda na jiaru.
Jesus is Lord. Jesus is Lord.
Biko na agene kwan. Biko na agene.
It's a packaging. Eba will duplex when on package on a GRA. Oh big girl one is in the melu level. Eba keep in a form of big girl up here. Duplex when on package on a GRA.
I'm package on a GRA. What the mwa? The wow, no be ara John Dan be ara eba. Hey, now what for you? Package ni ga ni package ni ke no nia. Wait, kai wa apoya. Apoya kai wa biko ebura yin pe eba.